This is the MyPilotPro Aviator camera mount. The Aviator mount is one of the most requested mounts that MyPilotPro has ever had. It attaches to an existing inspection plate on your aircraft. Each mount puck is precisely CNC milled from a single aircraft aluminum billet and is coupled with stainless steel hardware. MyPilotPro is a RAM mount authorized partner. Their GoPro camera swivel arm allows you to point your camera in virtually any angle and direction. A neoprene washer ensures that any vibration cannot make its way to the camera and also prevents any marring to your inspection plate. Attaching the MyPilotPro Aviator to an inspection plate is a straightforward process, which should involve your A&P mechanic and a simple logbook entry. Watch this demonstration of an Aviator being attached to a Vans RB-6A experimental aircraft. The mount also comes with a stainless steel safety hairpin that prevents the mount from coming off the mounting puck. The hairpin ensures that the wing nut securing the entire assembly to the inspection plate puck will not come loose. Now for a little GoPro fun.